Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Happy Mammoth subscription. Okay, so basically before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind. If you are going to cancel your subscription, you have to pay lots of fees. You need to keep something in your mind. This is the terms and condition. As you know, Happy Mammoth provide you 3 months minimum time period contract, we can say, on their all product pages. Okay, if your time period, if your 3 month is completed, then you can cancel your subscription. They will not charge on your account. Okay, if your 3 months is not cancelled, and if you want to cancel your membership before 3 months minimum, and they are going to charge you 49 early cancellation fees. This is the first thing. Okay, and make sure when your 3 months, when your 3 supply is completed, cancel your subscription before your next scheduled shipment to avoid charges for that cycle. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions. Now let's talk about how to cancel. Basically you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website, there is a page like your profile icon. You need to tap on this button. You need to click manage subscription, and once you click on manage subscription, it will redirect you on this kind of window. You need to enter your email ID, and then they will provide you a code. In the code you need to open your mail ID, you need to provide your code, and then you can log in into your account and you can manage your subscription very easily. If this method is little bit hard for you, you are not a technical person, so in that case what you need to do, you need to compose an email. The email format you can see in the subject box. You need to type like, I'm writing to request the cancellation of my subscription on Happy Mammoth, and in the details you need to compose like your account name, your email ID, your subscription details, by which they can verify your subscription and they can verify your account. Okay, and in the body you need to provide reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation. And once your email is done, you need to send this email at their email address support@happymammoth.co, and this is the email. You need to send this email at this email address, and once they receive your email, they will contact you. They will provide you reply. If you ask a proof of cancellation, they will reply you. Once you get reply from their side, it means your subscription is cancelled and you will get a proof of cancellation. If you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is active, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support team until you don't get any proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the correct procedure to cancel your Happy Mammoth subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, and you can also take help from their website. They also have a chat support option. You can also chat with their customer support team, but make sure when you are going to chat with their customer support, your account should be logged in. You should logged in into your account, and when you choose chat support option, they will end your subscription at the correct moment. Okay, so by using these 3 ways you can easily cancel your Happy Mammoth subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.